Don't download River Financial app before watching this. If you're considering River Financial, wait a moment, most people get this wrong. They think it's just another crypto trading app, but the surprising truth is River is more focused on buying and holding Bitcoin safely rather than active trading. River Financial is built for long-term investors who want a secure, transparent way to accumulate Bitcoin. It's not a high-frequency trading app with multiple cryptocurrencies. It focuses solely on Bitcoin, and that focus has pros and cons. The pro is simplicity and strong security, but the con is that you can't diversify into Ethereum, Cardano, or other altcoins. One thing most people overlook is how River manages security. Your Bitcoin is stored in cold storage, and the platform uses multi-signature wallets. This level of security is excellent, but it means transactions aren't instant like on typical crypto exchanges. If you're expecting lightning-fast trades, you'll be disappointed. Fees are another factor. River Financial charges a spread of about 0.5% per Bitcoin purchase, which is reasonable for the security and service, but more expensive than some high-volume exchanges. It's important to weigh safety against cost. The surprising truth is that River is perfect for disciplined, long-term Bitcoin investors who want peace of mind, but it's not for day traders or people seeking a wide range of cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, don't download River Financial if you're looking for active trading or altcoin exposure. If your goal is to build a secure Bitcoin position over time, River offers transparency, top-tier security, and a user-friendly interface. Start with a small allocation, get comfortable with the deposit and withdrawal process, and use it as part of a broader crypto strategy to grow your holdings safely.